welcome back on Top the Night Show. For today, make not wasting our time. As we take talk, last week Friday we'll be start one topic: sexual satisfaction. Where husband and wife wait for marriage, then two go they enjoy themselves well. So that wahala no go today. Woman will not they enjoy sexual satisfy. Now she they carry face up and down, they squeeze face the next day.
The man go.
The man too. Well, the man if they look outside, begin at that time cheating go start.
He safe go squeeze face now.
It will go.
The
man not go squeeze face. He go girls they outside now.
No now. If water for house hungry you and you not drink that water, no water outside go fit quench that thirst when the water for house they hungry you don't drink.
Now wisdom when she drop with that song.
It's got a name is say for Bible then go write seller.
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 A heavy one.
Na heavy one. Anyway, we don't hand over finally to Pastor Iheanyi. Make it continue where we stopped last week on top sexual satisfy. Okay, Iheanyi.
Okay.
You hesitate.
Thank you, Nedu and Katim.
The new rapper is in town, featuring Easy Beat, our DJ.
The new rappers.
But I be saying Easy Beat get song than a feature. That's how they don't come out easy.
No, Easy
They don't come out you.
Okay, Easy Beat featuring.
Katim.
Okay, now you get the song.
Yeah, now you get the song.
Okay, now you get the
beat. You see world people.
They don't feature me now.
No, be so easy. You know, say we mean well.
No, it's okay. It's not they come out you for setting.
You don't see what you have to do now.
Okay. All right. As we start last week, we begin to talk about sexual satisfaction, and the discussion begin pick up when people begin call the ask questions. The first way we talk, we say, is it possible today in marriage and no they sexually satisfied? Most women know they get sexual satisfaction. Most women know they get sexual satisfaction and know they fit talk. Because, and this is where until we go discuss today, the friendship in sexual intercourse.
Okay,
you know,
the friendship for sexual intercourse.
Under sexual satisfaction.
Okay.
Because the truth be say, sex no be like people think. Oh, you know, people think say then good, especially young people. They say they could die on top of the matter. Ask your parents. Don't be something to kill yourself about. After 100, 200, 300, 500 times, you go tire. And when you tire, waiting will keep you. In a friendship. And most people don't understand. So, in relationship, it is very important to make both parties, they enjoy waiting then they do. Or else, it could just become duty.
You'll be like normal work,
you know,
work.
I don't hear women talk, say, my mama say, anytime you want them, just give them. No be say you enjoy them. No be say...
Whether you did or not.
All those ones no matter again. Just go there, drop body for them, make sure you enjoy yourself. And what people don't understand, say resentment. No be even waiting you talk for man. Now waiting you they show.
Exactly how it be for your body. Now
salt,
your body go take
salt go change. Salt, the soup go just change. And if you know sharp, you know go notice. If you be a man when they even know, say, soup gets emotions. When woman no wash hand cook soup for you, you go know now. We will discuss them later. Now, you see, bread, they don't make a mass production, but soup and food that they cook for marriage get character.
Now true, Sha. If you chop soup when they wash hand, cook.
It gets character.
Some others would be like waiting and carry leg cook.
it gets character, and that character now the emotional state of the woman. If no matter how good she they cook, if she no happy, it will begin showing small things. And that's where they talk about friendship. If the man no even notice, most men don't even know when their wives don't vex until she quiet and stop to talk. Before you can say waiting happen. You know, say the vexing don't start. Don't take since. And because we talked last week, say man, no matter how sex be, sometimes you could just man go always reach
the bus stop.
Reach bus stop, come down, reach where they go. And you go just, and once you come down like that, you don't free the woman. The thing where friendship for relationship they do be say, woman go feel open her mouth, tell her husband. I don't hear people where don't try talk about her to their spouse. And it turn yawa or problem, then quarrel. Say, why you go talk, say, I no satisfy you. And but the truth be say, when your spouse tell you say you no satisfy him, no be something to take vex. So. It means say your friend, they tell you something. If I know they enjoy this thing, no, they do them because you they happy, but you know they think whether me are they happy
or not.
You could just carry, you know, some people don't even sabi what they call foreplay, where be you go build the whole thing. So the sex become the icing on the cake. No be now everything will build up to am. Now be the real juice.
I gonna want it before I go through now.
And I think what women they like where you fit, and we talked this last week, where you fit use text, start the thing. Maybe around 4, you don't want clothes for work. You could just give heads up. Say you don't know whether not that blue bed sheet or not the red bed sheet, because how Royal Rumble won't be this night. You never really, and woman go first confused, can't laugh small. Say, this guy get program. He said, I did do 120 now, I they come that house. Nothing go save you. Everybody go laugh. You go laugh. Because what they do, we say, they prepare her psychology. They prepare, say, even if nothing, you reach there, nothing can happen, nothing major. All that in be the real high for the program. So if you don't even be friends with your spouse, you don't even know how to date on it. I mean, I know people where no fit come on clothes in front of their wives.
I know women will not fit come on clothes in front of their husband.
Why?
Now you see, it means say the friendship never reach where I trust you with my love handle. You know, say when you like begin chop 2-3 meats for soup. Something
you can become aka in the Christian mother.
Love handle will come out. Things go change, and you look yourself for mirror. You know too like what you feel, and then if you don't trust your wife to see as you don't change belle, German bomb. If you don't trust your wife, then something they wrong. They never become true friends, because now this one will sound very ugly, but na practical thing. When you know fit. I don't know how to talk. I'm making everyone's person. When you know fit two friends, when you know fit foul the air. When you know fit foul the air in front of.
When you know fit mess in your own.
Okay.
Because like Katim now, I know it, if I enter here now, I know when Katim dey because if she mess, her mess gets one fragrance like that. In fact, not be fragrance, odor. I know Katim mess.
Jesus.
Nedu, my mess know the smell.
Her mess na strawberry.
No, it.
They smell strawberry.
Okay, so I go mess for you when we finish.
No, you feel. I find now guy here I don't know. So you feel release them for them.
I beg.
No. Now yours for you.
Federal Ministry of Health.
No, just for you, Nedu.
Now you see, after they talk this thing, Nedu don't make a light. Some people don't even fit talk this kind in front of their wife, in front of their husband. Because everybody still they put up appearance.
As he did, I know one person. Now my friend, 2 of them. Now my friend we married. They use mess fight war. You don't mess for me, Abi.
Take it.
Take it.
Take it. Your own.
The man will say, wait. They will come to like this.
You see,
You can't swear. The mess go down there. We all release them.
Jesus Christ.
Which kind of people like
this? Sweet there.
You see this thing where they talk, as you know, too sweet for ear, it's sweet for relationship. When both of them tell themselves absolutely anything. If they hide your boxers on your wife, you know say trouble there. If your wife no feel hang bra, make you see say line don't form for the bra, make you yap and both of them laugh. Me say na never still relax, na never drop on a. You still they form Lagos boy for your wife still they form Lagos chick for you. And if una still they do that on, even sex go they very mechanical.
Because they go to form for themselves.
Yes, because everybody won't put up appearance. You won't form macho.
Like say you not to know. Then she too won't do like say
yeah,
you not
so
to
nothing go happen. It will just be very so everybody won't respect themselves, make you know to make you no scatter house, say na 3 pillow day here, make it just remain 3, make you just use 1 pillow, finish, go. And after a while, now when the man begins find something for outside, the woman begin find or see something for outside, now he go begin hate the relationship when they in.
Yes.
Because he no even know. Say he no they even try play. You know they even try make the relationship be about friendship. If now your friend, you feel just go jump, sit down on top. Things I don't understand how people they do when they date. Then when they're married,
they come married.
They she could just walk up past him, serve him food. The rest one to kneel down. Hold the water for her, make you walk. Before say you go run, sit down on top, you go sit down on top in leg, and he say, or you go dodge, so now go laugh. But after now marry, and I don't even understand, say now the friendship now pull on together.
Now they keep the.
So when that friendship come out, it even come out for sex.
It be like say some people when they friend, they better pass when they marry.
No, I don't talk
say
this thing before.
When ring can't enter finger.
When you they do campaign, when you don't win an election, no need for doing campaign again.
No need though. Nedu.
Anyway, our phone numbers go there on top of TV. Make you begin the call us, make we know what you get to talk on top of this matter. Any question when you get to ask Pastor Iheanyi, make you ask. Our phone numbers go there on top of TV now. Make you begin call us. Pastor Iheanyi, continue.
Okay, so after all these preambles, waiting husband and wife supposed even fit do now to talk about their sexual life to each other.
Before they marry or
No, after they marry. Now. You see this, you see.
Because now our society know they creep.
No.
People know they fit.
You see, not be society. Oh. How come when our parents, our grandparents, my grandfather had 18 wives?
hey.
In they talk to them about the sexual.
No, I'm just saying my grandfather, yes, had 18.
Wow. 18.
They give a title. Na title man. For finish.
I take the drum.
So some of them na gift.
From Benue people.
Some of them they just say, are you talking?
Yeah, I dash you.
Some of them na gift, but he had my papa saying no 18. The fee pass. Say na 18 when him no.
Plus 57 children.
Children go just yakba everywhere. You know. You just,
We're not going to wear ID card.
now, but you see.
We're not going to wear uniform.
You see, how come those days you know be anything vulgar? How come today?
Yeah, it don't become another thing.
Yes, because their orientation of the subject no get too many interpretations. If you marry those days, you don't marry you.
Yeah.
You no get any other meaning.
Yes.
You no get the put hand for your eye, you know, you go blind. For those days, you go just put plaster on top of the eye, continue. Today, the orientation don't change.
Now,
So,
if you don't marry
they're
now,
more open-ended.
Yes.
They're more open-ended. If it no suits you, just pull plug, buy new TV, plug new one.
and not do it again.
Yes. So you know they even register well for people. Say this thing fits last past 50 years.
That's why if these days, these marriages of these days, if husband do the wife anything, do him anyhow, he go pack property, go in mama house. In mama, where don't they in those times?
Yes.
Go to and say, go back to your husband's house. Go on, because now so them take drum.
Now that was
that time.
Now the orientation where they get. Now, so the focus now on sexual life. So when you want go Miss Madam Y, Madam X no go talk anything no, because now Madam Y day. Now we know they justify polygamy.
Yes.
We just they talk say their orientation they very different. Say now my colleague they be this. So anyhow we take B, I go just mature, I go cook for them, I go boil water, they take bath. I even dey inside the program. Today, if husband and wife reach to talk about sex, and the husband don't even fit tell the wife, so I go like this kind
Style,
thing,
snake
this
and
kind
ladder,
thing for
you
menu.
know.
You know, because if you talk you go first look at one kind, you go just look at.
So yeah, you know no snake and ladder. Leave him.
No, I don't want to know.
Snake and ladder na style.
No, I don't want to know.
Okay.
Make we leave am.
Okay.
Now human being with the so make we leave am like that. Katim, let's say you know snake and ladder.
No, I don't know.
Okay, it's okay. All right. So
I don't know.
Continue, Pastor.
So-
happy Friday na motor, ba motor.
Ababa also.
Leave watching the rat for motor, but they just enter the motor, they go where they go. Continue.
okay, now Salah be that again. So when man or when woman no fit tell man, or when man no even fit, woman fit tell and say, look, maybe after he don't finish, you don't say man no, they're very straightforward. When he finish, he don't finish. He win or he lose, he win.
He win, yes.
Any which ways he win.
Any which
so when he lie down, they breathe, say he don't win. As the woman tell him, say, we know do
brother,
program.
this kind
Yes,
you
program no run
Your
reach.
ministry today.
Program no run reach the end.
You get one picture where I see where the girl go to the man house. When they don't do, the man don't reach in bus stop, lie down. Now the girl come vex, turn the other side. Now the man come tap him. Baby, did you come? Now the girl say, yes, I made a mistake by coming here.
Okay.
Continue.
This guy know well. You know, so when the woman no fit tell the man things like this, say, we don't finish now, but I no come on, you know, I no reach this thing. You they happy
not reach
now.
bus
I
stop.
happy say you happy, but me, I no happy. The man also sometimes suppose realize say, no be every time.
No, some men know they know. Some men they take them as quarrel.
Precisely.
Okay, somebody they call from Anambra. Good evening.
Good evening, my brother.
Good evening, my brother. How you doing?
Fine, sir.
You get any question to ask Pastor Iheanyi today?
I want maybe know the particular something people are saying. My name is Ogbonge from Anambra.
You use the on TV.
You just say on TV?
No.
Okay. Our topic today, now, what we start since last week, sexual satisfaction in marriage. So this today program now for married people, exclusively for married people. And what we done they talk so far, now the need for friendship between the husband and the wife, even
You never even get credit.
in
Continue.
sexual matters.
From Owerri, good evening. Benjamin, good evening.
Yeah.
Benji. How you doing, Benji?
Nedu, how are you?
How is your ministry?
I'm fine, Lord. Thank you, boy.
You get any question to ask Pastor Iheanyi?
What is here?
Yes.
I'm fine, Lord. So what you make for that kind of marriage where you see woman,
Yes.
Woman, them too, they hide their way. No how woman where woman go tell you for your house, say, this thing, they hungry am, or this thing, that's why you want make you do am, so that she will be satisfied.
Yes.
So the only thing where they will do, they will sit down the rook. Now you wait man, they become their goat. When you touch them this side, they go say no. When you touch them this side, they go say no. So but when you wait, like say if you enter house, enter bed, just wait let the woman touch you. You not go touch you. You not go agree. There's never. Even all of them, even the one who love your past, they not go greet you.
My brother, I they hear you, eh? This way they talk now.
When you come back, come give the poison.
It be like say personal experience there under this. It be like say you get one small personal experience inside this matter. Eh? But now why we they do this program? So that we can even help. Now when they talk to a woman, not be 100% true. But when woman no make move, you know, maybe sometimes don't be say they don't make move, they don't tire. And the man no make move at all. So she too won't say, I go there, you serve ball. Like I see
Every time na me.
Like I see how your game take be.
Ezine from Sulere, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, Ezine?
I'm fine.
You don't marry?
Good evening. Hello, Nedu.
How are you?
I'm fine. Sorry. You said this program is for married people. I bet what is it they do there? Have you not married?
Is it be day work?
Is it be day work?
Is that work? Okay.
So, is it not be like who don't marry? Now what?
You never married, Jerry?
You get now your question be that?
No.
So what be your question?
I don't get question. Just
bye. Ezine, go.
But you don't ask question now.
Is it beat? Continue.
So, is it not be like who don't marry?
Is it be there? Oh, nothing say. Well, anyway, continue.
You know, so the question is, it's my brother talk for Monisha, where he say, woman goes, one turn man to goat. Make I even help, make I talk to both man and woman.
Okay.
If na your wife, why you no one discover what go make your wife happy? If na your wife, why you no one discover? You won't make it, yes, even if you don't know.
You understand?
You get the rest of your life to keep to try. So why you gonna feel like goats?
It be like say people know they 2K patience.
Why you gonna feel like goats as per your wife?
Abraham, good evening.
No, yours won't go there, come on.
Yeah, just, you know, and it go stop. God go help us.
Abraham, good evening.
And sometimes women, they shy.
Yes.
Abraham from Sokoto. Iheanyi.
Yeah. Abby.
Oh, good evening.
Good evening, my brother. How is you?
I do. How in a program they go there? Are they feeling away from you?
Thank you. You don't marry?
Like say we hear your wife about
I don't marry. Yes, I don't marry.
Okay.
Which question you want to ask Pastor Iheanyi today?
The question when I want ask is why be saying that the duty of the man that go to do the wife go say touch me here, touch me there, and at times the woman no go even quick
respond.
Come. And before you know, you don't tire. You know, you go say, touch me here, touch me here.
Okay.
It's a difficult task.
That's a real difficult task, my brother.
Which one be the easiest way? When man feel make the woman come? Because at times you go even tire.
That's
go
okay.
for the whole team.
Okay. you know, if you don't listen before we reach here, we don't talk, say, woman gets more emotional attachments to sex than physical. So now the process where they do am for the woman, no be the act itself.
So which means for men, their own, now just that time we see the drum.
As
But
cloth,
women,
see, as cloth come out,
That's
man doing program don't they run for man
don't
already.
But woman own, you got
Now,
start
you
time
supposed,
from.
yes, build them
Build
up,
them.
hold hands,
now
play
work
with.
with that now.
Precisely.
That's government work now.
Make you find her love language to join.
Because she won't make you.
Nothing good comes easy, Nedu. You want
You
to
know
reach
some
that
people-
promised land, but you are safe.
You know, some people get different sexual triggers. Some women, if it just be the way you even talk before the thing starts.
Oh, I know myself now. That time, when I open my mouth, they talk. Baby,
Wait there. They don't know who come market. We they come market. We they come.
anyway, make we enter market, they come back.
You know yourself. Be waiting.
I know my sexy voice. Yo, baby, how are you?
You that is.
You know the one I'm looking at you.
You that is.
You know.